The discount you receive depends on your level in the sales and marketing plan. When you join the Herbalife Nutrition business as a member, you'll receive a discount of 25% on the Herbalife Nutrition products. As you move up the sales and marketing plan, your discount can increase up to 50% depending on the total amount of volume points accumulated per volume month. In this short video, we will explore the initial 3 ways of making an income with Herbalife Nutrition. Let's look at the first type of income you can make as a member, retail profit. Meet Adam. He's just joined Herbalife Nutrition as a member, getting a 25% discount on his product purchases. He uses the Herbalife Nutrition products himself, and he also retails them to his family, friends, and close social circle. Adam now has 5 regular customers who are purchasing a healthy breakfast bundle containing F1, tea, aloe, and PDM at approximately 100 volume points per bundle. The difference between the discounted product price he paid to Herbalife Nutrition and the retail price he is selling the products at to his customers is Adam's profit. This is also known as retail profit. Adam has been working hard building his Herbalife Nutrition business, and he is doing very well. He regularly attends training events and uses the digital learning resources to increase his knowledge of the Herbalife Nutrition products, nutrition, and business. Adam is generating over 4,000 volume points per year and has reached supervisor level. This allows him to purchase Herbalife Nutrition products at 50% discount, improving on his retail profits. Adam is continuously looking at new ways to develop his organization with Herbalife Nutrition. He has noticed that Emily, one of his customers, is particularly enthusiastic about the products, and she is constantly bringing in new customer referrals. Adam decides to pitch the Herbalife Nutrition business opportunity to Emily to see if she is interested in joining as a member. Emily is very happy with this. She decides to join as a member, getting a 25% discount on Herbalife Nutrition product purchases. Now, Adam is earning a wholesale profit. This is the first form of passive income you can earn with the business. It is the income Adam gets from Emily's activity. Adam's wholesale profit is currently 25%. This is the difference between his 50% discount and Emily's 25% discount. Wholesale profit is paid the following month based on the previous month's volume to eligible members, which also opens the doors to so many more income opportunities for Adam. As long as you are a senior consultant or above and have members in your organization who purchase at a lower discount, you can qualify for wholesale profit from your downlines activity. Let's get back to Adam and Emily. Now, Emily is also successfully growing her organization and has achieved supervisor level in the sales and marketing plan. Adam is now eligible to earn royalty overrides because Emily, his downline, has qualified as a supervisor. To earn royalties, a Herbalife Nutrition member needs to generate a minimum of 500 total volume points per month and have a qualified downline supervisor in their organization. Royalty overrides is a payment ranging from 1 to 5% on the monthly total volume of your first 3 levels of supervisors in your organization. The percentage earned on royalty overrides will vary from 1 to 5% depending on your total volume points achieved in a given volume month, which is made of your personal volume as well as your downline volume. To summarize, in order to earn royalties and achieve higher levels within the Herbalife Nutrition sales and marketing plan, a member needs to build a successful organization of supervisors. The further Adam and Emily progress in the sales and marketing plan, the more opportunities of income are made available for them.